We have 80 seconds to add multiple materials to one object in Blender, so let's go ahead and hop into Blender, start a general project with the default cube selected. I'm just going to hit Tab to go into edit mode and 3 to go into face select mode. I'm going to select one of the faces. Now let's go down to the material tab. It looks like a little moon or a sun. Now here you can add and subtract materials with the plus and minus. I'm going to add and create a new. Let's change the color of this material to blue so we can see what's going on, and I'm going to click assign. You won't see the changes unless you go over here into material view. With material view selected, you'll see that your face has changed on the object. You can select another face and add another material. Let's make it green so we can again see what's going on, assign it, and you have multiple materials on one object. Just like that, that's how it's done. I'll see you on the next one.